This is Caroline of Caroline's Plans. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a new type of setup video for my channel. This is a setup and sort of plan with me, I guess you could say, for my weekly, monthly overview household cleaning schedule. This video was requested by my dear personal friend, Brittany. Shout out to Brittany if you're watching. Happy birthday! Your birthday is tomorrow. The day that I'm filming this voiceover, your birthday is tomorrow. Happy birthday! Miss you and love you. She noticed or was thinking about, I guess, my cleaning schedule and that I mentioned, and wanted to know more about it. So here you go, and I hope that this is interesting to some other of you that watch my videos. So here we go. I just really basically planned this out. You can see I just have a very basic 8.5 by 11 normal sheet of paper, and then I use my ruler and a basic pen to create different sections. I have 8 sections here. They will serve as sections to show the 7 days of the week, plus a section for monthly cleaning tasks. The smaller rectangles that you see will be where I place the name of the days of the week, and then the space in the larger boxes below will be for listing the tasks for each day. My personal cleaning schedule does not look this fancy. It's the same format, but I have not decorated it with any stickers. So for the purposes of this video, and for the purposes of sharing this with Brittany, I'm putting this in the mail to her. As of the day that I'm filming this, this video will go up hopefully after she receives it in the mail, and so it's okay to ruin the surprise. This one is going to her, not as a birthday gift, just as a cute little piece of Happy Mail. She is the best with Happy Mail, and I need to get better about that. So yeah. Here I'm just using my Sharpie pen to write in the title of this cleaning checklist. I'm titling it Family Cleaning Schedule. You'll notice that my spacing is atrocious here, and I actually, when attempting to write the word schedule backwards, skipped the letter H, and I had to squeeze it in there like super tiny, so it looks a little crazy, but you get the idea. And yeah, so I just used all the stickers that you'll see here are leftovers or just from my stash. The washi that you see that I used here for the title is leftover from the Strawberry Mimosa Glam Planner mini kit. The plan with me using that kit can be found a little further back on my channel. I used that kit for the first week in June. The ruler that I'm using is a very old one. I've had it since elementary school. I will link a similar one below. Let's see, what else did I use already? Oh, the pen that I used is just a very basic black ballpoint Bic pen, I believe. There we go. Just showing you my little spelling spacing mistake there. I think it worked out okay. It looks kind of cute in a crazy way. For date covers, I just used some leftovers that I had. I'm not sure what brand these are from. They came from a sticker book that I purchased from Michaels a while back. I since just deconstructed the book and cut the pages apart so that they would fit better in my sticker organization. So unfortunately I do not know what brand these are from. However, I know they were purchased from Michaels, so I'm sure you can find something similar from Michaels, or just any leftover day of the week date covers would be just fine. Here I'm just adjusting some things for spacing, putting in the 7 days of the week as I said before, and then that bottom right hand section will be where I list my monthly cleaning tasks, the 2 things that I try to do every month. The pen that I used there is the Pilot G2 in .38, and here I'm just folding each of those sections in half one more time to be able to section off my daily tasks, my tasks that occur every day, and to differentiate that from the 1 or 2 tasks that are specific to each day of the week. I'll explain a little bit more about that when we get into the day-by-day section. Underneath my monthly section, I put a header to serve as a key. You'll see that I do a little bit of color coding towards the end, and that key will help me remember what the different colors that I'm using each represent. And I'm just using my ballpoint pen again to make that next set of lines that will separate my daily tasks from the tasks that occur specifically on each day. And I'm using my purple mild liner to write in the header name task at the top of each day of the week. I organized my cleaning tasks and split them up such that I hit one major area of my house every day for Monday through Friday, and then Saturday and Sunday are just maintenance. So you'll see my top section marked task in purple will be for the specific area of the house that I clean on that particular day, whereas the daily section in that bluish green color underneath is the recurring tasks that happen each day, like just basic tidying up and things like that. Here I'm going in and creating my key on the bottom right. Tasks marked with a purple dot next to them will be done, at least in my house, by myself and or my husband, and the blue dotted tasks are things that my husband takes care of. The reason why I don't have 2 sections on Saturday and Sunday is because I don't have specific cleaning tasks for each of those days. Rather, Saturday and Sunday are just for maintenance. My cleaning task on Monday is always dusting and wiping all of the surfaces and deep cleaning the kitchen. I like to dust because it gets everything onto the floor before vacuuming, and we generally do most of our cleaning on Sunday, so deep cleaning the bathroom, or the kitchen, excuse me, on Monday, the day after the majority of the cooking, works best for our household. Tuesday, my major task is deep cleaning both of our bathrooms. That means wiping them, cleaning the toilets, wiping out the showers, spraying things down, cleaning the mirrors. Then on Wednesday, I focus on the floors. I start by dry mopping the floors, then wet mopping, and then vacuuming the carpets. I dry mop first just to get any dust or hair or dirt up, and then wet mop because I find that that's easier to do, to get sort of the bigger particles up by dry mopping first and then wet mopping. And then last but not least, vacuuming to get up the dust that we took down on Monday. Then Thursday is my major laundry day, meaning that my main task is to wash our sheets and linens and towels. This is also used as our primary trash and recycling day. However, these are also done as needed. I marked that in parentheses, that a lot of these things are done as needed. Friday's major task is running and unloading the dishwasher. A week's worth of dishes usually fits in the dishwasher. However, now that we're eating at home more, sometimes we need to run it more often. But I also find that the more labor-intensive tasks I prefer to get done towards the beginning of the week. So the major cleaning, like cleaning bathrooms, floors, things like that, the kitchen, I prefer to get done at the beginning of the week, so then Thursday and Friday can be relatively chill, just catching up on laundry and dishwasher, easy stuff. And then the tasks that I do every day are tidying in the morning. I like to do a quick tidy session in the morning, and I'm marking that Saturday and Sunday I tidy as needed. Also, laundry is a daily task that's done as needed, which reminds me I actually need to move my laundry over into the dryer. And so I'm just marking that on each day, Monday through Sunday, in my daily section. And you'll also notice that I put a little box next to each item. This helps me track and helps me stay motivated by checking off my tasks as I go. What I do is, with my copy of this schedule, I put it inside a plastic sleeve, just a generic plastic sleeve. You can get it at an office supply store. And then I tape that to my refrigerator and leave a whiteboard marker just sort of tucked inside the plastic sleeve, so I can, just as I'm passing by the list, I can just check off the tasks that I've completed for the day. And that's just a big motivator for me and reminds me of what I need to do for each day. By this point, I've been working with this schedule for long enough that I've pretty much memorized it, but it's still nice to check things off. So as you can see, I have 3 tasks that I do on a daily basis. Tidying up, laundry, and dishes just keep going as needed every day. And then I break down the larger chores for the rest of the house into manageable pieces. My husband usually cleans out the fridge every Saturday before we get our grocery delivery. Our grocery delivery usually comes on Saturdays, so he likes to clean out the fridge before that arrives, so we have enough room and we have a nice clean slate. However, we only deep clean the fridge, meaning taking everything out, spraying down the shelves, wiping them off and everything once a month. You'll see that go down here in my monthly section. I mark that I like to do my monthly tasks on the second and fourth Monday of the month. You see there that on the second Monday I like to deep clean the fridge, and the fourth Monday I use for vacuuming out the tracks in our windows. Especially with summer, we were leaving our windows open a lot more, so I was needing to vacuum them out. I'll want to do that again probably one more time before winter, but that's about it. I hope this helps, and one more happy birthday to Brittany. I miss you and hope that we'll get to see each other soon. That's about it for the functional portion of this setup video. Now I'm just going in and adding in some little decorative elements to mark dusting. That feather duster is from White Deer Stationery. The spray bottle is from Murdoch Talks. The refrigerator icons are by Mama Gloria Shop on Etsy. The tweezers that I'm using, by the way, are an old pair from Revlon. You can just get them on Amazon. That toilet sticker is from Mama Gloria Shop, and the toilet paper sticker is by Franny Lamb Stickers on Etsy. The mop is, again, by White Deer Stationery. The vacuum is by Franny Lamb Stickers on Etsy. The little teeny vacuuming sticker is from Glam Planner. That trash can is from Mama Gloria Shop on Etsy. The recycling can is from Franny Lamb Stickers. The clean change sheets script and icon are by Mama Gloria Shop. All of the sticker shops used will be linked below. The dishwasher icon is from Franny Lamb Stickers, and my little cleaning ninja emoji is from the Coffee Monsters Co. It's one of my favorites. I hope that this helps some of you out and that you enjoy it. Happy birthday, Brittany. Peace, love, and happy cleaning, everyone. Bye-bye.